Hi guys, you have opened ATSA channel. Today's topic is Redmi. In this video I'm going to tell you how to select ringtone on Redmi. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have already watched my other videos. Let's go. Find settings and tap on it. Then scroll down, select sound and vibration. Scroll down, find ringtone, tap on it. Select ringtone you need, choose online ringtone, choose local ringtone, default ringtone. Good. Okay, you did it. I hope it was easy and simple. Don't forget to write comments. I try to answer everyone. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. I hope I can do it. Thank you. Goodbye.